Hey guys, welcome back to VolatilityTV here. I just wanted to do a quick video here showing you guys my profits for today. Today is September 8th, 2020, and as you can see right here, my profit is $241.20, just absolutely amazing. Today was pretty exciting. You can see this huge push up we had here in the morning. So yeah, let's just break it down. Let me show you my trades. Okay, and as you can see right here in the morning, we had this nice push up in the morning here. We had a slight sell-off, pulling back to 31.29.65, and then this huge push up bounced off of the EMA line here, and then we continued gapping up. So I took my first trade, again making sure that it's above the EMA line. I got in here, first trade that I took, 31.61, getting out 31.65. I was possibly up around $70 or so, $73, and I took my second trade, seeing that it actually didn't pull back first, and then it just actually continued trending up, making sure it's still above the EMA line. Took my second trade here, 31.76, selling out 31.80. was perfect, absolutely amazing. These are the trades that we're looking for. And then we let it pull back a little bit. It came below the EMA line, wait to see if it actually bounced, and then it did bounce off of that VWAP line right here, continue trending up. Took my third trace, my third and last trade, getting in at 32.18 and then selling out 32.23. just absolutely amazing, bringing me to $241.20, just absolutely crazy. So as you can see, after that we had this huge push up, people thinking that it would actually continue uptrending for the rest of the day. It did not. We had a slight pullback and it just continued trending down, and then it just, like you can see right here, we did however stay above the VWAP for majority of the day, and then it just continues selling off right now. So if we take a look here at /NQ, we can see that it is down 394 points, or 3.44%. absolutely insane. Today was just, hopefully you didn't get crushed, hopefully you didn't lose a lot of money. You had to be careful when you were trading for today. Let's just go back here to Amazon just to show you how similar it is. We are down for Amazon -128, or 3.89%. It's just, you have to be patient when you're trading something like this. I stayed trading in the morning time. You can see the volume here, and then it started to die down. Usually it dies down around 11 o'clock, 10:30 or so, resulting in consolidation. So yeah, let me know in the comment section down below, how have you been trading? Hopefully you didn't lose a lot of money over these past couple of days. We're still in the red phase. If we take a look here at the 180-day, if we take a look at the 180-day on Amazon, we can see that it's still trending down. We are now below the SMA line right here, 180 SMA line. We're still below the EMA line. It's just we're waiting for some sort of confirmation for it to bounce and then start trending back up. However, I day trade, so I can get in on green days or red days, as you can see here, and that's what we want to see. We want to see consistency. It's all about the process, not the profits. Showing you my process on how I actually took these trades, and that's what it's all about. Can you be consistent? And yeah, so let me know in the comment section, how have you guys been? If you traded, if you actually made some money today, if you lost any money today, how are you gonna change up your style to come back in for tomorrow? Let me know in the comment section. So hopefully you like this video, hopefully you like my breakdown for today. And yeah, if you like this video, smash that like button, subscribe, thumbs up, notification bell, and all that good stuff, man. You know what to do, man. This is YouTube, man. You know what to do. Peace.